Hello, my name is Arista Dewi Mutia and my student number is B0323014, and today I will presentate about my answers for basic translation theory Remedial. And the first question is, please identify and give explanations about the search language, the target language, the search text, and the target text. So for the book 1, it's A, the search language, because the language in which text is being translated is written into another language. And the second one is C, the search text, because the text provides the points of departure for a translation. And for book 2 is B, the target language. It's the language into which a text is being translated from another language. And the second one is D, the target language. It is because the text which has been produced by an act of translation. And the second question is, check the following pictures, then tell the types of the translations based on the language involved and give your reasons. For the first picture, it's the intersemitic translation. It's an interpretation of verbal signs by means of signs of nonverbal sign system. And the second picture is intralingual translations. Is an interpretation of verbal signs by means of other signs in the same language. And the third picture is intralingual translations. It's an interpretation of verbal signs by means of the same other language. And the third question, please explain the concept translation process proposed by Nida and Taber. Nida and Taber introduced 3 stages in the process of translation. This process begins by analyzing search language into grammatical and semantic structure of the target language, and then transferring the meaning, and at last by reconstructing the grammatical and semantic structure into the appropriate target language forms in order to create an equivalent target text. And the last question is, identify the type of meaning distinguishing the following pair of words, then give reasons about your answers. First one is A, perempuan and betina. It is presupposed meaning, selectional restrictions. There are a function of the prepositional meaning of a word. Why is it proposed meaning? Because perempuan and betina both refer to female beings, but perempuan is more commonly used to refer to human females, while betina is typically used for female animals. It is propositional meaning of a word or a utterance arising from the relation between it and what it refers to or describes in a real or imaginary world, as convinced by the speakers of the particular language to which the verb or utterance belongs. Why is it propositional meanings? Because it indicates the objects themselves. They convey factual information about objects. And the third one is C, enya and ibu. It is evoked meaning, geographical. It arises from dialect and register variation. Why is it evoked meaning? Because enya and ibu both have the same meanings, but the difference is that enya from Betawi while ibu is from Indonesian language. And the fourth one is gemuk and gembrot. It is expressive meaning, the meaning related to the speaker's feeling or attitude rather than to what words and utterance refers for. Why is it expressive meaning? Because they both describe someone who is overweight, but gembrot carries stronger connotations compared to gemuk. And the last one is datang and hadir. It is presupposed meaning, collocational restrictions. These are semantically arbitrary restrictions which do not follow logically from the propositional meaning of word. Why is it presupposed meaning? because both words can mean to come or to arrive, and hadir also implies being present or attending, especially in formal contexts. That's all from me. Thank you.